How to report someone in Honor of Kings. Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how you can report someone in Honor of Kings game. If you have faced anyone being inappropriate to you and you want to report them within the game for bad behavior, first of all, launch open Honor of Kings game on your device. From the main lobby screen, which looks like this, go ahead and click on the Friends tab on the right corner, this little arrow over here, and once you end up in your Friends tab, go ahead and select a contact you want to report. I'm just gonna select one of the contacts over here just to show it to you. Tap on their profile icon and in the pop-up you'll see a report button. Tap on it and then select why you are trying to report them. It can be an inappropriate nickname, avatar violation, and then on the next field you need to select one of the reason why you are reporting the person. Choose any one and then click on the text box at the bottom. You'll need to provide your explanation of your report using maximum 80 characters, and finally after you are done filling in, go to the quick report button and tap on it. The reported player won't know who filed the report for them. Report helps the support team investigate and take appropriate actions. If it is a serious harassment or threats, include specific detail. So that is how you successfully submit a report in Honor of Kings. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.